How to reset Google Chrome to default settings. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device and click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then you will find all these options pop up. Simply scroll down and click on Settings. In Settings, on the left side, scroll down till you find Reset option. Click on Reset Settings. Now click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. Then you'll find these options. Click on Reset Settings and everything will be reset. And this is how to reset Google Chrome to default settings. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.